Changing the email link to your Steam account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam client or website and log in using your current account credentials. Ensure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account details. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Click on your username in the top right corner, then select account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Change email address. In the account details section, look for the option labeled Change Email Address. Click on it to initiate the email change process. Step 4. Verify your identity. Steam will ask you to verify your identity. This may involve entering a verification code sent to your current email or using Steam Guard if enabled. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity. Step 5. Enter new email. After verification, you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Type in the new email, then confirm it by entering it again. Save the changes to complete the process. After following these steps, your Steam account will be linked to your new email address. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Steam.